to get $100 promo code on Ikea. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $100 promo code on Ikea. There are various websites like Retail Me Not, Coupon Follow, Grab On, Coupon Chief that provides various Ikea promo codes. While a specific $100 promo code may not always be available, but you can find significant discounts that can help you save on your purchase. Here I am using Coupon Follow website. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you will need to type in couponfollow.com. Now press on the Go button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Coupon Follow. Once you reach this page, here at the top right, you will be able to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon, and in the search bar here type in Ikea. Now search for it. Within a while, you'll be able to see different discounts or offers currently available on Ikea. You can scroll down to find the one that you are looking for. Once you get the offer or the promo code similar to your expectation, you will need to simply tap on it, and inside it here you'll be able to get this code. Simply tap on the copy button at the right side and the code will be copied. Now you can go to the Ikea website and use the promo code in your checkout section. Or you may also directly tap on this Redeem at Ikea option, and this will take you to the official website of Ikea. There you will need to log into your account and then use your promo code. So by following these steps, you should be able to get $100 promo code on Ikea. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.